Alright, so today I finally want to talk about the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 5, and these are the kind of earbuds that immediately tell you Huawei is aiming straight at the premium crowd. I have been following Huawei audio for a long time, and this release feels like a very confident move. You are getting flagship-level features packed into a familiar but refined design, and the overall focus here is clearly on sound quality and noise cancellation. Before we go any deeper into the real-world experience, make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this video because it seriously helps the channel grow and keeps these reviews coming. Now, starting with the design, these stick to that clean stem style look with silicone tips, and honestly they feel polished in the hand and in the ear. Comfort is solid even during longer listening sessions, and the case has that smooth pill-shaped form that slips easily into a pocket. The color options are actually pretty classy, especially the sky blue version with the leather-style finish, which gives it a premium touch that stands out without being flashy. Where things get really interesting is the audio hardware. Each earbud uses a dual driver setup with a strong bass focus driver paired with a planar tweeter for the highs. In real use, that translates to deep punchy bass that does not overpower the mids and crisp highs that stay controlled even at higher volumes. Vocals come through clean and instruments have good separation, which is something I always look for in premium true wireless earbuds. Huawei is also pushing hard on audio quality with lossless wireless audio support thanks to their custom Kirin A3 chip and Nearlink technology. When paired with compatible Huawei devices, the sound feels more open and detailed compared to standard Bluetooth earbuds. Even on non-Huawei phones, the support for codecs like LDAC means you still get a high-quality listening experience that easily competes with other top-tier earbuds. Active noise cancellation is another big highlight here. Huawei claims improved ANC, and from what I have seen and heard, it does a very good job cutting down low-frequency noise like traffic and engine hum. It is not just about blocking sound either, as transparency mode sounds natural enough for conversations without that robotic edge some earbuds still struggle with. Connectivity is also future-ready with Bluetooth version 6 support and multi-device pairing, which makes switching between your phone, tablet, or laptop smooth and fast. The earbuds themselves are water-resistant, and the case is protected as well, which makes these a solid option for workouts and daily use without constantly worrying about damage. Battery life is respectable for this class. With noise cancellation turned off, you can push close to a full workday of listening, and with the case you are easily covered for multiple days. Turn ANC on, and you still get enough juice for long commutes or flights, which is what really matters in real-world use. Pricing puts these firmly in the premium segment, but when you look at the sound quality, features, build, and overall experience, it makes sense. These are clearly built to compete with the best earbuds on the market, and for Huawei users especially, they make a lot of sense. So overall, the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 5 feel like a serious upgrade and a strong statement from Huawei in the true wireless space. If you care about audio quality, strong noise cancellation, and a refined premium feel, these are definitely worth keeping an eye on. If this review helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video because it really supports the channel, and I will see you in the next one.